All right, so here we go. This is the 60-foot American Legend right here in Mosaic. Hold my heart.
Oh my goodness.
Look at
First
that.
impression of this American Legend is gorgeous. I'm going to show you all the way up to the ceiling there. Nice little catwalk, and they've got the beams right below it. That is gorgeous.
Look at that wall of glass.
Yeah, fantastic.
That's awesome. So let's start to the right.
Let's do it. And that is the beautiful office. Look at this. I mean, obviously they've got a ton of upgrades in this house. And starting with these beautiful built-ins, the beams on the ceiling, but oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Another place you can get a lot of work done, Andy.
Yeah, I mean, these chairs are big, good-sized chairs, and you have plenty of space.
You do. Gorgeous.
Good-sized room.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Now, right off the study here is your utility room.
Yep.
And it looks like it goes to the primary.
Yeah, all right, I'll show now. I was gonna wait on that, but I won't. It's got a place for your washer dryer. You've got plenty of room for folding.
Look at all this room, but look at right over here. Oh, jeez.
Wow.
Forgive me,
Super
but you got
excited.
a refrigerator spot as well.
You
But
do
look
have
at
a
all
good
this counter
refrigerator
space.
spot. That's nice, yeah. A lot of counter space.
I can do all my folding right here, and then it's all nice.
We're not even gonna get into that right now.
All right, well,
We're
let's
gonna
go look at this secondary
Look at
room.
this secondary room. This is gorgeous.
It's got its own ensuite,
Yes.
which is nice.
Another decorator that decided to do it in these calming, beachy colors. So it feels really nice, like I'm on vacation.
Yeah.
Here's the bathroom that's attached to that, and it's got this beautiful shower to the guest room, and they did what I love, taking the tile all the way up to the ceiling.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
I love how wide this is. You've got your garage space, 3-car, so with the tandem,
Yeah.
right? Which I love for all those guys that want like your golf cart. You got your motorcycles, whatever. Really cool. Even if you have like your Sea-Doos, put Sea-Doos back here, and you know.
Yeah. Sure.
So, yeah.
You're thinking Sea-Doos since it's
I'm thinking Sea-Doos since it's 100 degrees
outside today. But then they've got this little bench area. They've got a nice little guest bath, which is just a little powder bath, so it's gorgeous.
I mean, this bench is cool, but I would rather have like that mud.
Yeah, the hooks and
because,
cubbies and things like
What are
that.
you doing with that bench? You gotta
And
rest.
then here's a beautiful stairway that goes. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, I love those stairs.
And then
I
they've
love just the dark and white contrast of the.
It does
the
look
steps.
really pretty.
And this is popular. We're seeing this more and more in all
real
the different.
popular. If you can see the glass, they've got the big door in there that holds your
Obviously,
little wine
the designer
area.
doesn't have little kids.
Yeah, the fingerprints on that would be insane.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Yeah, I'd like a fridge in there and a little more personally, but all right, let's.
It just seems like an added step.
Let's take a look at this kitchen, family. This whole area is amazing.
I love the fireplace with the. Now, that I'm not a huge fan of that type. That seems really loud.
Busy? Too busy for you?
Busy for me, but you know that's my personal taste. But that's a cool
It is a neat fan. Yeah, so they've got those big windows right above there, brings in some light, which is nice when you have the patio cover, because then you're getting the light from above the patio cover, which is really nice. And then heck, since I'm going this way, I might as well show this dining area.
Well, I love the 8-foot doors and windows.
I know, look
right?
at those
and then
windows.
you got this big picture window right here.
And
that allows all that light, but it also gives you privacy.
Yes, the bottom part of the window is open, which is so nice. So you can get some really good cross breeze in here on days that it's not 100 degrees.
Yep.
And this is a gorgeous kitchen.
Waterfall.
Waterfall.
Double oven plus your microwave.
I love that.
You've got
Spice racks on
spice
either
racks
side.
on
That's
both
awful nice.
sides. Yeah, I mean, this thing has got everything.
Gorgeous.
It's good, solid cabinetry, soft close.
They've taken those cabinets all the way up to the top and put the lights in them, which is so pretty.
One thing you're not seeing in this particular one is the kind of two-tone, right? You don't have the wood.
You do behind you.
Oh, there we go.
There you go, see? But you have no counter.
No
I
counter
don't know
space.
if that would bug anybody or if they prefer having cabinets anyways. You
Yeah,
know?
what you could do though is, like I said, just cut it off to where this is not, this is all cabinet. No, you can't have enough refrigeration.
Snack
But again,
closet.
these things are really good quality.
They are.
Really good sized snack closet,
Very
i.e.
good
pantry for
size.
those that don't have a sense of humor.
Don't like the snack closet reference. I know. Let's go into the primary.
After we go see this patio.
No, you want to see the patio first. I was trying to get to the primary.
Now this is a good size.
It is
You
a
know,
good size.
It's not too big. On a 60-foot lot, you've got, this is kind of your typical lot size. Seems a little bit small, to be honest with you.
That's a different looking fireplace than
Yeah,
you see.
it's you know, it's for those people that can't decide, do I want a fire pit or do I want a fireplace?
Yeah. It's
Why don't we
nice.
do a
kinda
combo?
fun. Kind of a fun one.
But you've got your gas line here. You know, you could do the whole 9 yards. You could do your outdoor kitchen. You've got
With
space
that
for a TV.
With that ceiling white, it really brings in brings out a lot of light. You know,
Yeah.
keeps it bright out here. It's nice.
Yep.
All right, primary time.
All right.
All right, we'll walk into this primary.
Ooh, I love the vaulted ceilings.
Yeah, that is gorgeous. Look at how big this room is. It's huge, and they've got those are good sized chairs in the corner there too. So this is a great room.
Yeah, this is a really good sized room. And that's a good chandelier with, like I said, yeah, with the vaulted ceilings, it really adds
Yeah.
some spaciousness.
I love this cabinetry in this bathroom. It's so nice. Look at that. You've got all kinds of space to put pretty much anything you need to put. I love it. Lots of drawers, lots of counter space.
What do you think of this tub?
You know what? I actually really like it.
I like it too. What I like about it is it kind of, it's not like tucked in the corner. It's built in like it's purposeful, but yet you don't have all those nooks and crannies to get all that dust. and
Yeah.
stuff.
Well, it's kind of like how they do a kitchen sink,
Yeah.
you know, which is, I actually really like it. And they've got
What do you think of this tile? It's,
beautiful shower with the rain head on top. I think this tile is fun. Can you
no
see it?
bench.
It's really kind of fun and pretty.
No bench.
No, you need to put one of those teak benches in there to give yourself a spot to sit or
Who sits in the
shave your
shower?
legs. Well, if you're, you know,
I'm in and out.
shave your legs. That's what you don't, but.
Why
So
not?
then here's the closet. Good sized closet. It's got a lot
I
of,
like when they take it all the way up
Hanging.
to the top.
and then all the way to this side. Look at
Wow.
that. That is very large. Very nice.
Hey, these are all solid core doors.
And then this goes in again into.
This is that laundry. This is that
the
door
laundry.
that I slammed earlier.
Yeah. It's so nice to go right into the laundry.
Yeah.
All right,
Let's go check
it
out upstairs.
Okay. All right, here we are. I like the two-tone. That's really nice on those floors. That's really pretty. And then they brought the beams up here again. Very nice. Nice game room area. And then as we come around, you're gonna see the media room. Very good sized media room. It's got the nice shaped ceiling, give you a little bit of interest there. And then we've got a bedroom on.
Yeah, this is the only bedroom that doesn't have its own bath, but the bath is right here.
Yeah,
So if you've got like really small child, you know, the baby or whatnot, this might be a good room for that.
yeah, it's a cute room.
This is a 5-bedroom house.
Yeah, it's nice. That is really nice. And here's that bathroom, which is for this bedroom and also for the guests that are here playing in your game room and media room. Let's go down here and take a look at these bedrooms.
You've got two
I'm gonna go
bedrooms.
straight on here. How about that? All right, look at this. We've got this whole ocean theme up here with these rooms. And then they've got their own bathroom right here, which is nice. Full bath with a tub and everything.
Good size walk-in closet.
Good size walk-in closet. Let's check that out. That is a nice size. Plenty big.
Now let's go take a look at that last one.
All right, let's do it. This is a great house.
Yeah, the floor plan just works.
It does. Nice little built-in area for a
Desk area.
desk. And then you've got this cute little room here.
Look at that closet.
And then, oh boy, that's a nice size closet with a window in it. I love that. Yep, this is a good closet for sure, especially for a girl.
Yeah, and then it's got your bathtub.
Here it is. Looks just like the other one, but pink.
But pink.
This American Legend model has 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, and this one starts at 3,383 base square feet. American Legend has 13 floor plans to choose from, starting in the low 800,000s, and go from 2,759 square feet to over 4,068 square feet.